How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K465 TIR. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll see your main power cables, and then you have your AUX cable here to hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting off of your Supreme control. Now when it comes to our optional Supreme controls, we have our standard version and our handheld version. Now today I am going to be using our standard version, and then I'll hop back and show you some of the features of our handheld. So to get your light bar hooked up using our Supreme control, you'll simply run your connector to your Supreme control box, and then I went ahead and ran my main power cables, so my red cable to my positive and my black cable to my negative. Now I did bring a standard red-blue setup with me, and you'll notice on all of our full-size light bars, they come standard with 2 white takedowns, 2 white alleys, and an amber traffic advisor in the back. And again, we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color setups. And we even have our customize a light bar tool, where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So you'll notice that you have your slide switch here on your Supreme control. So the first position will activate the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes off of your slide switch here. And then you have your pattern changers, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can select a pattern you'd like, and then this unit has memory recall, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and it'll remember the last pattern it was on. And you can program a different flash pattern for each different mode. So if you switch back to your back mode and program a pattern here, and then you program a pattern on your front mode, your light bar can remember up to 3 different flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn. And then if you hold your pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you have your takedown, alley, and cruise buttons here. Now when these buttons are activated, you'll notice those modules will go to steady burn. And then these do operate independently of your light bar, whether your light bar is flashing or not. And then when these buttons are deactivated, you'll notice those modules will go back to flashing with your light bar. Now we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for your takedowns and alleys, to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash in the warning color of your light bar ordered, and then when you activate these buttons, they will go steady burn white. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux button. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here for you to show you the traffic advising feature. Now you'll notice that the traffic advisor comes in standard amber on all of our full-size light bars, but again we offer a multicolor upgrade here to where when these modules are flashing, they will flash in the warning color of your light bar ordered, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, they will go amber. And then you'll see on your Supreme control here that you have center out, you have right left, and left-right functions that you can easily access here. And then finally you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. And you'll simply use your additional aux cable harness to get those lights hooked up. Now let's go over the mounting options for your unit. When it comes to the housing of this light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included light bar feet here, and these are adjustable along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then you'll see our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, and then we also have a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud brackets that you'll use the existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so. And this light bar will use 8 of our permanent mount stud brackets. And then finally we have our headache rack bracket, which you can mount your light bar to and then sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K465 TIR. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below the product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.